Good morning, dear children. I, Rekha Kapri, is taking the chapter of geography. First chapter, that is environment. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat, and the land where we live. So here we are going to read about the components of the environment: natural environment, man-made environment, ecosystem. Environment is a basic life support system. The school buildings, the chairs, the tables of the classroom, the open field, and the friends in your class all are the part of our environment. The human-made component of the environment are the creation by human beings, which include bridges, roads, dams, parks, and monuments, etc. The human environment consists of the individual and his interaction, which include the following: family, community, religion, educational, economic, and the political situations. Human environment reveals activities, creations, and interactions among human beings. Now, children, I'm going to tell you about the components of the environment. The components of the environment, first you can see the diagram. The components of the environment, first is natural component. Here we can say land, air, and water. Then human made are roads, buildings, cars, monuments, etc. Then human, he himself, like an individual, family, community, religion, education, economy of the nation, political situation. Now I will describe the components of the environment. The natural components of the atmosphere comprises of air, water, and land and living things. The natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions. The biotic conditions consist of the world of living organism, that is plants and animals. The abiotic conditions consist of the world of non-living elements like land. As you could see here also, biotic and abiotic, and the diagram given below. Now children, I'll tell you about the biosphere. A narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other to support life. And here natural environment, land, lithosphere, water, hydrosphere, and air, atmosphere comprise the natural environment. Lithosphere, it is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of soil and minerals and covered by a thin layer of the soil. Hydrosphere, it comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. It is essential for all living beings. Atmosphere, it is the thin layer of the earth that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from harmful rays and scorching heat from the sun. Then biosphere, as I already told you, it's a narrow zone of lithosphere, atmosphere, and the hydrosphere. Biosphere, plants and animals. Animals kingdom together make biosphere. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water, and air interact with each other and support life. Now children, ecosystem. It is a system formed by the interaction of all living organisms with each other and live with physical and chemical factors of the environment in which they live, all linked by transfer of energy and material. Now children, the last topic of the book is human environment. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led simple life and fulfilled their needs from the nature. They learned to grow crops, domesticated animals, and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented by them, and finally, there was extra food produced, and barter system emerged. Barter system, it is a system where the goods are exchanged without the use of money. And trade started, commerce developed. Industrial revolution enabled large scale production, transportation became faster, information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. But, dear children, if a human being wants to live long on the earth, so they must make a perfect balance, and which is necessary between the natural and the human environment. Humans must learn to live and use their environment in a harmonious way. So children, human interaction with environment explains how man affects the environment and gets affected by it. Thank you.